Hello all, continuation to Anthropology series, World of Anthropology. In the last class I discussed about 2.1 Culture Unit. Now I will be discussing 2.2 Society Unit. In 2.2 Society Unit, the subject goes in this way: understanding of society. The society definition which is given by Switzer, and the nature of society, the characteristics of society, and the relationship between the society and the culture. What are the similarities and differences between the society and culture? Whether society and culture both are one and the same, or the society and culture both are different. That we will be discussing in this particular topic of 2.2 of socio-culture anthropology. And after the nature of the society, we have the concept of society, how society evolved. There is a concept called a social contract theory. The people are in perpetual conflict with each other because of the selfish tendencies. So in order to control that conflict, the people came together and established a society by following some rules and regulations. That rules and regulations is called as culture. When they follow these rules and regulation, then they understood that when we are coming together, there is a need for some people to govern them. So the government system came into existence by the name called as political system. So in that way, the society came into existence by the concept called as social contract theory, which we studied in this concept of society. And the next we will understand the relationship between society and culture. Whether society is part of culture or culture is part of society, or society and culture both are different. And then we will be coming across another topic called a social institution. Marriage is a social institution, family is a social institution. Where there is specific behavior will be in the social institution. The people who are part of the social institution, they will have a predetermined behavior. Yes, in our family, in marriage, wife and husband, when they get married, they cannot live according to their wish. How they are living before marriage, now they cannot live in the same way. Why? Because they got married. Social institution determines specific behavior. That all we will be discussing in social institution. Then social group. Your WhatsApp group is a social group. People will come, people will go, people will join, people will go. Social group. No specified behavior is required. You can be according to you. If they wish, they will keep you. If they don't wish, they will remove you. If you wish, you will be there, or if you don't wish, you will go away. It is called a social group. Social stratification, the last topic, beautiful topic, caste system. India is the best example of caste system. Social stratification, where every society, American society is stratified based upon color, race, blacks and whites. People are differentiated based upon economy, rich people, poor people. People are differentiated based upon the caste, Brahmana, Shudra, Vaishya, Kshatriya. Social stratification, where they are differentiated. These are all the topics which we will be discussing in 2.2. So the concept of society, society and culture, the nature of society, social institution, social group and social stratification, 2.2. If you get command over this, 15 marks are in your pocket in your mains examination of anthropology. And we are going to start our new anthropology batch from June 12th. All the information regarding the new batch is in the description. Thank you. Jai Hind.